Good morning and welcome to Crypto Vault. Solana cost today is $52.19 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2.004052,608 United States dollars. We update our SOL to United States dollars cost continuously. Solana is down 66% as of now. The ongoing CoinMarketCap positioning is number 9, with a live market cap of $17,614,933 United States dollars. It has a coursing supply of 337,487,860 SOL coins and the maximum supply isn't accessible. What is Solana, SOL? Solana is an exceptionally practical open-source project that banks on blockchain innovation's permissionless nature to give decentralized finance (DeFi) arrangements. While the thought and starting work on the venture started in 2017, Solana was authoritatively sent off in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation with base camp in Geneva, Switzerland. To get familiar with this undertaking, look at our profound plunge of Solana. The Solana Convention is intended to work with decentralized application (dApp) creation. It intends to further develop versatility by presenting a proof of history (POH) agreement joined with the basic confirmation of stake (POS) agreement of the blockchain. Due to the imaginative half-breed agreement model, Solana appreciates interest from humble merchants and institutional brokers the same. A huge concentration for the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance open for a bigger scope. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $52.76 where it presently sits. As currently referenced, SOL is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now involves the 9th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric not entirely set in stone, by increasing the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Solana, the market capitalization remains at $17,805,376,342. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later. Our cost forecast calculation is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to give our endorsers the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough survey the condition of their portfolio and conclude whether it should be reconfigured. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which is fundamental for the right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its present and future bearing. Beneath you will find key portions of this authentic information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Solana market is going. Yesterday, on May 18th, SOL was esteemed at $57.15 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically finishes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 3.72%. A week prior, on May 12, Solana was exchanged at $50.05 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On April 19, which was actually a month prior, the theorists exchanged SOL at $102.16, the cost level that is at the distance of 48.36% from where it as of now stands. Yesterday, on May 18th, the market capitalization of Solana remained at $19,280,004,280. A week prior, on May 12, the capitalization of SOL was $16,857,812,021. A month prior, on April 19th, how much capital streaming around this specific market added up to $34.03,864,230. The complete stock of SOL at present stands at 511,616,946 coins. The flowing stock of the digital currency under survey is 337,487,898 SOL. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Solana market was enlisted at $2,055,660,381. Yesterday, on May 18, Sol had an exchanging volume of $1,824,279,899. A week prior, on May 12, the normal everyday exchanging volume on that market added up to $4,426,752,134. Within the most recent 1 month, the cost of Sol diminished by 48.769%, killing an incredible normal amount of $49.69 from its ongoing worth. This abrupt down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well the 90 days cost change is near 70.77%, and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $156.91 to most extreme normal cost of $183.17 in the beyond 90 days. Solana is somewhere near 74.63% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $246.33 and the base typical value of was around $234.50 in beyond 4 months. We foresee future Solana cost expectations Sol estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness, help specialized analysis on the past value information of Solana. We put forth a valiant effort to gather greatest authentic information for the Sol coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Solana market cap, Solana volume and scarcely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Solana Price Prediction 2022. According to our profound specialized investigation on past value information of Sol, in 2022, the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $59.08. The Sol cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $68.27, with a typical exchanging cost of $61.46. It has been an unpleasant 2 or 3 weeks for Sol, which has managed various new crypto resources, as its market cap neighbors Terra, Luna, and Terrost, have dropped down the outlines. In any case, at press time, the 8th biggest digital currency token by market capitalization is valued at $56.7, subsequent to acquiring 1.25% in the earlier day, however falling 20.5% in the previous week. Among the main 10 coins, just Cardano ADA has seen a comparable day-to-day rally. So, Solana has progressed significantly from the rising star status it once held. The Sol's devaluation from the $80 opposition has given way to a pullback that has taken more than 48.7% over the course of the last week. With a monstrous measure of expanded selling pressure, the altcoin fell between the constraints of a falling wedge to a 9-month low on May 12. Assuming the bulls at long last find their base and trigger a purchase skip, the Sol could overturn the upper limit of the ongoing falling wedge, or all in all the ongoing cost zone, which is the division among bulls and bears, cost range $50 to $55. Following the oversold position of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, the Sol could resuscitate in the event that purchasers simply hold their ground. The file, at the hour of compassing, is moving somewhat up after a bullish disparity throughout recent days. With respect to moving average convergence divergence, MACD, it appears to be that the MACD line has crossed the signal line, and the histogram range is likewise restricting, flagging that the bulls are getting more grounded. Likewise, the Chaikin money flow, CMF pointer is attempting to break out of its negative zone. Solana's total value locked, TVL, kept on plunging into the third 7-day stretch of May because of a market-wide negative pattern, combined with a progressive decrease in financial backer premium and decentralized finance, DeFi. In particular, this marker has dropped from $11.22 billion on Jan 1 to $4.4 billion right now, May 17, down 60% year-to-date, YTD. Solana's TVL hit a new low this week as decentralized applications, dApps, in its environment tumbled to new lows. In the future will in any case be inspired for Sol. A report by Masari Research truly puts Solana under the magnifying instrument as it analyzes how the organization acted in the principal quarter of 2022 in the wake of cresting in the last quarter of 2021. While referring to weakened network execution as a component behind Solana's income, the report expressed. While market cap and income declined by 30% and 43.5% individually, the organization experienced preceded upswings in use, evaluated by normal dynamic, one-of-a-kind expense payers, plus